Do you imagine that we're going to continue to see numbers of groups pop up who are very good at very particular verticals, and we're going to go see adoption in those verticals? Or do you think that someone is going to come and condense them under one banner, and then there's one group who is very good at a bunch of these verticals?
I think there'll be a slight amount of consolidation in some tasks, but quite honestly, these different tools work really good in specific environments. And I think the environment is going to continue to drive what tools we'll use. And I don't know that an all-in-one would ever make sense in that regard.
Okay.
Again, I think you'll see some slight consolidation and it'll get better. But really what you're going to probably find out if you were to peel it back is they just took two systems, combined it into one at that point. That's what I see happening in the future. I see an Augmentus incorporating a MechMind camera, using that pick and place to do assembly tasks better. And if they don't, we will be putting both of them on a system to do just that.
Okay.
Sounds like a private equity play, but...
And that's there's a lot of IP that could be developed as to how this stuff gets used and how the systems go. And quite honestly, when you talk about private equity, they're funding groups like Augmentus, MechMind, Mugen, because they are developing intellectual property that can be sold and resold and licensed. The other thing too is, just to bring back to robots as a service, as we're layering some of these softwares, some of them are software as a service. And that's what I think will drive robots as a service on the ARM side, is if I got a $6,000 license here and a $1,000 license here and a $1,200 license there, that's where that robot as a service might become a better value, because I'd be building in those licensing agreements into your hourly rate. I think the third-party layering of these softwares, and particularly ones that do have a SaaS component, will force the robots as a service to just be a better value as we move forward. If that makes sense.